Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious lemonade. Of course, it comes of the fruits, mangosteen. This fruit comes from Asia. It's a very delicious, sweet fruit that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this refreshing, delicious lemonade, these are the ingredients: a pinch of salt, granulated sugar. And here I have the queen of all the fruits, the mangosteen fruit that comes from Asia. Lemons, water, and ice. This is everything you need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. I want to start first by making my simple syrup, and I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. I'm going to take it to the stove, and when it has dissolved completely, then I am ready to turn off the stove and let it cool down and come to room temperature. And of course, right after making my simple syrup, I am going to start by getting the juice out of these organic lemons. Yes, these lemons are from my garden, and with this little gadget, I am going to take all the juice out. And believe me, it has a lot of juice, these organic lemons. Of course, I am going to slice some, get the seeds out for the decoration of the pitcher. I am sure that once you make this amazing mangosteen lemonade, you are going to continue enjoying this amazing fruit. Well, here I'm going to start by adding the lemon juice, and of course, you know you have all the ingredients in the description box. Remember, when you want to refresh yourself, just go to Cooking with Gloria Agua Fresca, and you will find so many different and refreshing lemonades that I am sure you're going to love them. And here, once this is ready, then I am ready to cut open the amazing and delicious exotic fruit mangosteen. Look at this. I am ready to slice it open and show you how it looks from the inside. The outside, the texture, it's very hard. Be careful when you're gonna slice it open. You don't want to cut yourself. But the inside is amazing. And of course, the taste of the mangosteen fruit for every person is just different. The taste that I obtained was mango, passion fruit, pineapple, and peach. Look at this. Usually it has 6 or 7 little pieces, but they taste amazing. It's so easy to get out. The flavor of this fruit is just amazing, and it's really sweet. It has a couple of seeds, but believe me, once you taste it, you are really going to love it. This fruit comes from Asia, and it's a very exotic fruit. It has a lot of properties for your body. Well, let me continue slicing away and getting all that pulp out of this amazing fruit. Of course, when you make this lemonade, you are really going to love it. It's nice and refreshing. The flavors are amazing. The texture of the fruit. It's sweet, it's tangy, it has so many flavors in just one fruit. I mean, my mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. You could enjoy it just like that with the spoon, or you could make this amazing lemonade. Look at this. It's really soft, really moist. I can't wait to enjoy it. So I will continue getting this amazing fruit out of the shell, and I'll see you when I am ready to prepare my delicious and amazing lemonade. The texture is really thick from the outside and is really taking care of the fruit inside. Well, now I am ready to prepare my pitcher. I have lots and lots of ice. Look at this. This is the way I love to enjoy my lemonades. I add a lot of ice and of course a lot of fruit inside. All of my lemonades, my Agua Frescas, are made from fruits. And of course you have control of how much sugar you add to your lemonades. And this is the best part, because you could use so many different sweeteners and you decide what you want to use. But here I have the slices of the lemon. I'm going to add them in here, and I'm going to add the amazing fruit, the mangosteen. I'm going to add a little bit, add a little more ice, add the lemonade, and add, of course, some more mangosteen fruit. Look at this. This looks amazing. It's refreshing, and all the properties that this fruit has. That's why they call it the queen of the fruits. I can't wait to enjoy it. Of course, I'm going to garnish it with some more mangosteen and a slice of lemon. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. Friends, I am completely done with this amazing, the queen of the fruits, mangosteen. You could eat it just like that, just taking the little pieces off. It's really sweet, really tender. Oh my gosh. Like I always say, enjoy your Aguas Frescas with Cooking with Gloria. Just an amazing fruit. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. This lemonade came out amazing and perfect for this hot weather. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing mangosteen lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.